A lot of people are scared of loans for some reason. They hear debt and they start sweating and shit, you feel me? But let me ask you this one simple question. If I hand you 50K right now and said you could legally multiply it, would you still be scared? This whole video I'm about to get into, all right, it's definitely not about reckless spending. It's about smart leverage. It's about playing the loan game the same way wealthy people do and how you can utilize it to buy freedom instead of stress. I'll start off the video by talking about what the average person does with loans, all right? They'll buy designer clothes, go on vacations, buy cars that they can't afford to pay for in cash. And that's how you just end up going broke, you know what I'm saying? People are financing liabilities and not assets. Then they wonder why debt feels like a trap. It is a trap when you use it wrong. Rich people or smart people, I'm not even gonna use the word rich. Smarter people use loans differently. There's so many people that are in millions of dollars in debt and they go to sleep at night peacefully. Reason being, their loans are tied to real estate, income producing businesses, and assets that either appreciate or cash flow. I'll give you a very small example. A $50,000 loan used to fund a $3K a month vending machine business, right? That loan pays itself off. You know what I'm saying? In 18 months, the loan's clear. You're still generating $3K a month after that loan's clear, and you still own the vending business after. You didn't just spend the loan, you built something with it. You just gotta take the risk and try. Here's the rules I use before I ever borrow money for anything. If the thing I'm borrowing money for can't pay itself off reasonably within 2 to 3 years, I'll say 4 years maximum, I'm not taking out a fucking loan. That means no car loans unless that car is going on Turo, right? No personal loans unless I'm using the money to fund a business opportunity. And no credit card debt unless I'm using it to fund my ads, right? Which is aiding my business. Or unless I'm using my credit card to fulfill an order. I'll give y'all some free sauce right now, right? 2025 edition. Here's 5 different things you can do with a 10 to 50K loan, which anybody can get right now as long as you have a decent credit score. You can buy existing businesses, right? Cash flowing website, a newsletter, something like that. They all go for like 30, 40, 50K. They're everywhere online. Buy that business with a loan. You let the cash flow from the business pay off the loan. You can go buy a car, Ford Mustang, Dodge Challenger. These are all cars that are gonna be rented out 80% of the month. They cost 20, 30K. You rent it out for $100, $120 a day. The loan will pay itself off in a year. You can use a loan to pay for ads and scale an already proven digital product. Start a mobile car detailing business, buy a van, get an employee, boom. You might not even have to touch a car a day in your life. The key is very simple, all right? You borrow to build something that'll send you back money monthly. Worst case, the business doesn't work out, you declare bankruptcy and move on with your life. You know, at least you tried. And yes, I do agree it's risky, but being broke forever is even riskier in my opinion. I'm not with that shit. You guys aren't either. Broke people take out loans to escape reality, and rich-minded people take out loans to build leverage. You can't be scared of using the bank's money. Just be scared of not having a plan to pay it back, you feel me? You need cash flow, a strategy, or a product or service that moves. That's how you're gonna beat the fear. So here's the final game plan, okay? 4-step checklist. Step number 1, do I have a business model in mind that earns money monthly? Step number 2, will the cash flow be enough to pay off the loan and leave some additional profit for me to eat on top? Step number 3, is the asset mine once the loan is paid off? And step number 4, can I start small, validate, and scale from there? If all those are yes, I'm not scared of a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50K loan. Because it might be debt on paper, but in my head, that shit is fuel, you feel me? If you're scared of loans, good. That means you respect them. But when you learn how to use loans the right way, you'll stop surviving and start scaling. It's time to stop asking, should I take out a loan? You should start asking yourself, what can I build with this money? Hit that subscribe button if you want more content like this. That'll be it for this one, y'all. If you need help mapping out a smart loan play that actually builds wealth, book a one-on-one with me down below for your own fully personalized strategy. But that'll be it for this one, y'all. Stay sharp.